What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I wasn't really planning on uploading this footage today, but as you probably noticed from the title, Ichor Airsoft, the field that I played at in Arizona, has shut down as of March 29th. What's also unfortunate is there aren't even any airsoft fields even remotely close to the area. Here's some extra footage I had, so I hope you enjoy.
Hit.
I gotcha.
There's a couple of people over there.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Just don't really have a good shot on him. Hit!
Medic! Over here. Careful, there's some people.
Thank you. There might be a guy right there to straight up head. Back in, oh shit, yeah. Hit! Goddamn, got four-headed.
Yeah, but I'm open to
So where you're going?
I'll go wherever you're going.
Since everybody's good,
I have
I'll
no
make
idea
sure
where
the
I'm
other
gonna go,
team's all
man.
set, and then we'll get
I'll follow
started.
you. Come on. Got you. I got your back,
We're
bro.
gonna find out. That's what's gonna happen.
Bro, this shit's too heavy. I'm sorry now.
I told you, bro. You're not gonna run on that thing.
Nah, I got.
3, 2,
Yeah.
1, go.
Shit.
Goddamn.
Oh. Are there 2 guys in there?
Yeah, there's a kid right there, to your right. Unfortunately, after this point, I just kept dying and respawning. Short video today. Fingers crossed that another field will open up in the area, but we'll have to see. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.